Hey, what's going on?
They was telling us our gas tank.
Oh, I thought you were trying to like flag me down or something.
Nah, they was blowing at us and telling us our gas tank was over.
Yeah, I just hopped out and shut it, but they just pulled us and told us that our gas tank, but we just left the gas station.
I got you.
54.
Really?
Is this a rental car?
I'm sorry?
Is this a rental car? Are you guys from like, is there...
We weren't staying in Tallahassee. We were literally like getting gas and leaving. And we got some food.
Is there any more marijuana in the car? Besides that right there? This is it? Okay. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I
69/64.
You in the area of...
You got a valid driver's license?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
You do? Okay. Basically, Tennessee and Ocala here at the entrance of Publix from Tennessee Street. I mean, you got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
All right.
I just had my ID, keys, and my money.
Okay, gotcha.
Money. Check it.
No, you're fine, man.
I don't got no money.
Any more marijuana inside the car? Sure. Okay. Would you do me a favor and come over here and wash my car with me? Is that your girlfriend, wife? Who should
That's actually my cousin.
Your cousin? Okay.
And that's her daughter.
You want to have the seat off? Okay.
Just get your shit.
No, wait. No. Get out of the driver's seat, man. Don't drive off. Don't you drive off. Dispatch. Dispatch gives me more units up here.
Hey, Bill, can you have a seat right here for me? Stop! Put your fucking hands up! Put your fucking hands up! Stop! Dispatch, give us traffic! What?
What's going on?
Hold it down.
You said they got him hostage in here.
Tallahassee Police!
Let me see your hands!
Watch up high.
Somebody watch them top windows. I got the stairwell.
Let me get someone on the back side. Hey, get outlaw here. Tallahassee Police, come outside now with your hands up! Come out! Come out now! Come out now! You better come outside!
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up now! Stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Dispatch, give us an address.
Hold your traffic. They're giving commands. Just everybody hold tight. Don't move! Get on the ground! Do not move! Roll! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired!
I can't breathe, come on.
Shots fired in the back. Shots fired in the back. Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Put your hands out! Put your hands out to the side like an airplane!
I got him covered, cuff him. I got him covered.
Get EMS! Get EMS!
Tallahassee Police!
Oh, go!
Shots fired!
Where's the shooting? Where's the shooting? Where's it at?
Go, 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 go! It's out the back, out the back!
Yeah, get that shirt off of him.
Hang on.
Now give me scissors too.
No pulse, no pulse,
Okay,
no pulse.
CPR. No pulse.